All right, all you good, wonderful citizens of Crypt Nation, it's Bryce here, and I just wanted to come at you guys with a quick season's greetings, okay? A quick happy holidays, a happy Hanukkah, a happy Kwanzaa, a Merry Christmas, okay? A Happy New Year, whatever it is, however you're celebrating, make sure you're doing it with gratitude in your heart and doing it with love and friends and family, because at the end of the day, that's what really matters. And I know in 2025, you're probably looking at your crypto portfolio thinking, there's not a lot to be grateful for. And I feel that more than any of you guys, trust me, okay? It's been a really, really tough year in the crypto market, and I wear a lot of that personally. And, I really hope, and I'm confident that in 2026, we're going to see a lot better price action, but more importantly, we're going to continue to see the progress that we've been making fundamentally here in 2025. We're going to carry that momentum through, right? I mean, some things that I'm thankful for this year, despite the crypto prices being in the gutter, I'm thankful that the Genius Act got passed into law and stablecoins are, now legal, and companies are launching their own and doing more volume than Visa and MasterCard combined. I mean, stablecoins made a lot of progress, okay? That's good for the furthering of the liquidity and the trading instruments in crypto. I'm thankful for the Bitcoin and crypto ETFs that now have well over $100 billion of assets under management. That's a really big thing. I'm thankful that, the chasm between DeFi and TradFi is being bridged, right? We've got the SEC's Project Crypto, where they're saying that, hey, we're going to bring all markets on chain shortly. I'm thankful for a lot of the progress that, the Ethereum and the Solana communities made with their technical upgrades and all of their leadership. I'm thankful for all of you guys for sticking with me through a really tough year in the crypto trading world. So look, there's a lot to be thankful for and a lot to look forward to. In January, it's projected that we're going to get the Clarity Act moving along, which is going to be a further boon to the industry. There's going to be, again, more clarity for crypto commodities versus crypto securities, for DeFi. So this is all good stuff. There's a lot of progress. And you know what? I never thought I'd say this, but I'm thankful for all the banks who have finally said yes to crypto. Maybe it wasn't by their own accord. Maybe it was because the current administration is forcing them to stop discriminating against our industry and our little neck of the woods. But I'm thankful that, Jamie Dimon said he was wrong. Larry Fink said he was wrong. All of these big bankers, these traditional institutional managers are finally saying, you know what, the crypto guys, they were ahead of the curve. Maybe they were a little crazy, but they were right. And so I'm thankful for that, the fact that the crypto revolution is officially here and it's in full swing, and it's making life in the world a better place, okay? So with that, again, I hope that there's a lot more in store for 2026. Praying for some price action that is to the upside this year. That would be great. But at the end of the day, the fundamentals continue to increase. Our team continues to grow. Our subscriber base and all of our wonderful citizens of Crypt Nation continue to encourage one another and spend incredible time together in our group, on our calls, reading through our guides and our analysis and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you really enjoyed this year with us. Cheers to another 2026, another year, which will be 2026. And I hope that you guys have as much success in your crypto portfolios, in your family lives, in your personal lives as possible. Okay? So anyhow, that's it for me for this year. We will see you next year. Again, everybody come back in one piece. That's what my grandma always used to say when I would go on a snowboarding trip or I'd go on a vacation. Come back in one piece, okay? Come back reinvigorated for the year because we got a lot of work ahead of us, okay? Be safe, be well. Happy holidays. And by the way, if you're not already part of a group where you could get incredible crypto analysis, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, all sorts of great guides on how to truly crush the crypto market. If you don't have something like that, but you're really craving it, for $1, you could get a 1-week trial to Crypt Nation. You could come and see everything that we do here, okay? And test it out for $1. 1-week trial. It's going to be the best holiday gift that you could give yourself because it's only $1. And you could learn a whole lot and make a lot of money with us in 2026. All right? See you soon.